下午7點30分，香港電台最新一節風暴消息：9號烈風或暴風風力增強信號喺下晝7點發出。預料當小犬接近香港嘅時候，本港風力顯著增強。喺下晝7點，颱風小犬集結喺香港天文台以南約70公里，即係北緯21.7度、東經114.2度附近。預料向西北或西北偏西緩慢移動，靠近珠江口一帶。颱風小犬嘅眼壁正逐漸靠近珠江口一帶。受小犬影響，本港多處地區吹烈風，離岸及高地間中吹暴風。同小犬相關嘅強雨帶亦正影響本港。按照現時預測路徑，小犬同香港天文台最接近嘅距離約為60至70公里。本港將由吹偏北風逐漸轉吹偏東風，原本受屏蔽嘅地方可能會變得當風，市民需保持高度警覺。天文台會視乎本地風力變化，評估係咪需要發出10號颶風信號。預料今明2日本港會有狂風大驟雨，市民請留意天文台最新嘅天氣消息。喺過去1小時，大老山、橫瀾島及長洲分別錄得嘅最高持續風速為每小時103、94及64公里，最高陣風分別超過每小時132、106及94公里。防風措施報告方面，現時切勿外出，如果已經喺有遮蔽嘅地方躲避，就應該繼續留喺原處，切勿接觸被風吹倒嘅電線。身處戶外嘅人士，請立即尋找安全地方躲避，直至危險消除為止。有關最新天氣消息，請留意香港電台喺15分、30分、45分及踏正嘅風暴消息。
7:30 in the evening, Hong Kong Observatory's latest typhoon update. The increasing gale or storm signal, number 9, was issued at 7 in the evening. This means that winds are expected to increase significantly as Koinu moves closer to Hong Kong. At 7 p.m., Typhoon Koinu was centered about 70 kilometers south of Hong Kong Observatory, which is near 21.7 degrees north, 114.2 degrees east, and is forecast to move northwest or west-northwest slowly, edging closer to the Pearl River estuary. The eye wall of Typhoon Koinu is gradually approaching the vicinity of the Pearl River estuary. Under the influence of Koinu, gale winds are affecting many places over the territory, with occasional storm force winds offshore and on high ground. The intense rain bands associated with Koinu are affecting Hong Kong. According to the present forecast track, the closest distance between Koinu and the Hong Kong Observatory is about 60 towards 70 kilometers. Local winds will change gradually from northerlies to easterly winds. Areas which were previously sheltered may become exposed. Members of the public should stay on high alert. Depending on changes in local wind conditions, the observatory will assess the need for issuing the hurricane signal, number 10. Heavy squally showers are expected to affect Hong Kong today and tomorrow. The public should pay attention to the latest weather bulletin issued by the observatory. In the past hour, the maximum sustained winds recorded at Tate's Cairn, Waiglan Island, and Chung Shou were 103, 94, and 64 kilometers per hour, with maximum gusts exceeding 132, 106, and 94 kilometers per hour respectively. Cautionary announcements on the number 9 signal. Do not go outside. If you are reasonably protected, stay where you are. Do not touch electric cables that have been blown loose. People outdoors should find a safe place now and remain there until the danger is over. Please listen to Radio Television Hong Kong on every hours of 15, 30, 45, and o'clock for the latest weather information broadcast. And that's all for the typhoon update.
呢一節風暴消息報導完畢。